Besides the flowers that bloom in May, what else do April showers bring? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about solving a safety problem that too much moisture can create right after this.
It's beginning to feel a lot like summer, and the Home Depot has savings on everything you need to get it started this Memorial Day. Step up your grill game with propane griddles from NextGrill for the perfect smash burger. Then feast with your friends and family around a new patio set from Hampton Bay. However you plan to kick off summer, the Home Depot has savings on everything you need to do it right. Feels like Memorial Day at the Home Depot. How doers get more done.
If your home has wooden steps on a porch or deck, you know that it only takes a little rain for them to become slippery and dangerous. This is especially true of pressure-treated lumber, even if it isn't painted or stained. Regular cleaning with a scrub brush or pressure washer will improve the situation for a little while, but try this trick for a more permanent solution. Pick up some adhesive-backed, non-skid strips at the hardware store. You can buy them individually or in a roll that you can cut to length as needed. When the steps are clean and dry, apply the strips to each step, centered in the space and near the front edge. Now you'll have the traction you need to safely navigate the stairs, rain or shine. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.